is Ryan. Today I will be talking about my most memorable memory trip. Where did you go when you were young? Many people have memorable trips. My memorable trip was Australia. In Australia, I went to the Opera House. There is a lot of history behind that place. The architect of the Opera House is John Woodson. Inside there, we could choose what will we watch. There was comedy, opera, dance, and etc. I'm guessing that the concert hall is globally popular. I loved it because we were impressed with the sophisticated ceiling and grand stage plus good performance. This is a great memory. Oh, and in front of Opera House there is Harbor Bridge. But it is also tourist attraction. We can see two tourist attractions. Also, there is an observatory to see both of them. I felt so happy to see it. Second, I went to Uluru. This is also a tourist place. It has a deep history. It was 1 million years ago that humans started living there. In the past, the area was inhabited by Australian natives, but it wasn't that long ago that the Europeans discovered the area. The area was explored in 8022, and the rock was discovered and given a European name in 1873. We could do many things there. I met travelers from Europe and New Zealand. There are also many interpreters that are explaining the historical changes and histories of Uluru. It is memorable because the height was so extremely tall, and I first know that there were deserts in Australia. To conclude, my memorable trip was going to Australia and seeing the Opera House, Harbour Bridge, and Uluru. Thank you for listening to my essay.